Hi guys, you are most welcome in my channel English with Govind from Sony Academy. Today we are talking about modals. So guys, let us go to start without wasting any time. How can we use modal, shall, will, should, would? Modals. These modals auxiliary have three common characteristics. First, they are never used alone. A principal verb is either or implied. He should learn swimming. Then next characteristic of the modals auxiliaries have a single form throughout the present tense. Whenever be the I may pass, you may pass, he may pass. It cannot be changed with the person any kinds. Then third characteristics of the modal auxiliaries do not have their infinitive and participle form. You cannot say to shall, to may, to must. There are some kinds of the form of the modals. Shall in first form, then second form should. Will in first form, would in second form. Can first form, could second form, may first form, might second form, must first form, then second form is must. Ought to in first form, then second form is ought to. First form need, in second form need. And first form dare, and second form dare. First form is no, and second form used to. So guys, we can start with one by one the use of will. Will is used to express intention, willingness, and predictions, determination to do something in the future. Is also expressed by using will. Example, I will get there on time. Then second example, I will borrow some money to start business. Then next example, we need some people who will work hard. Then next example, there will be many students at the party. There are many uses of the will. Again, let us again, I will get there on time. It shows determination of the subject. Then next, I will borrow some money to start business. It is intention. Then next example, we need some people who will work hard. Willingness. Then next example, there will be many students at the party. Prediction. Then next use of the shall. First, a fairly common usage related text expressing strong obligation. Example, the culprit shall be put behind the bars. Then next example, the student shall finish all documents. Otherwise, their admission shall be cancelled. Then next use, we often use shall I. shall we when we are asking or suggesting what to do. Example, shall I put the light out? Question mark. Shall we go and see Sunil? Question mark. Use of would. Would is second form of the will. First uses of would. I would like. I would like to ask for things. It is more polite than I want. Example, I would like a return. Next example, I would like a return ticket, please. Then next example, I would like a seat by the window. Then next example and next use of the would, we can offer things with would you like? Question mark. Would you like a coffee? Question mark. How many ice cream would you like? Question mark. Use of should. Should is second form of the shall. First use, the core concept of the should has to do with requirement expressed in terms of appropriate behavior, a good thing to do. Example, you should take bath daily. Then next use of should. Should is also used to express probability. Example is, he is the best runner, so he should win the race. Then next example, with Tendulkar in the team, we should win the match. Then third example of hypothetical conditions. Hypothetical conditions. Example is, should you change your mind? Nobody blame on you. So guys, there is modals uses. Please don't forget, watch my next post. Please watch next post also. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.